Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Layne, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the Allure February of 2020. So I just got this box from the mailman literally 2 minutes ago. I have not opened it yet, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So before we get into it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below future video requests, follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the Allure box retails for $15. It's supposed to come with full-size and travel-size products, and the value is supposed to be over, I think it's $90 every time you get the box. So you get a mix of full-size and travel-size products. And then for new members who sign up for their first month, they get a free extra product. So that's a thing that's super nice. So when you first open the box, you just get the pamphlet that goes through what all of the products are and what's actually in your box. And it also gives you some codes as to the websites of the brands that are in the box. And then when you open the box, you just remove the red little tissue paper, and that's everything that's in your set. That box looks really, really full. I'm really excited to read what everything is. So the first thing I see in here is actually bubble wrap, so I'm just gonna unbubble wrap it. And this is from Wander Beauty. It's taped down. It says it's the Wanderess Glow for after hours. So I'm not sure what it, I'm gonna assume it's a highlighter. Yep, it's a highlighter. So it's just a really pretty color. It's like a champagne-y. And it feels really, really soft. This looks like really good for like a subtle highlight, just to make like that little shine, not something that pops out. So this is super, super nice, and this is a really pretty color. The next thing I see in this box is this Olay Regenerist Retinol 24-hour night moisturizer. So it just comes in the box like this. This is a really big box for a product that's this big. That's kind of a little bit deceiving. It does give you a $3 coupon for their wrinkle results with light as air finish, or their powerful retinol 24-hour for visibly smooth, bright skin. So if you do end up liking this, you can get a coupon code and get $3 off. It just looks like a really thick, nice moisturizer for at night, but it's just really small, and I'm not a huge fan of how they packaged it in such a big box. Next, we got a brush. I think this is the first time I've ever gotten a brush in the subscription box. So that's exciting. This is a NYX Cosmetic brush. Let me see if the pamphlet says what type of brush it is. So this one kind of looks like the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. It says it's made with synthetic bristles, which is super nice. And these bristles feel super, super soft. And I feel like this would really be good to like rub all over the face and like just brush away like the powder that you use for baking and stuff. So this is super exciting, and I'm super excited to try this out. This feels like a really, really nice high quality brush, and NYX is not that expensive. So next in here, there is the Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick. There's just a seal on it. And this is in the color Muse. Oh, that's a really pretty color. So it's just like a nudie, it's like a bright pink color. It's super pigmented. It's a really pretty, like, bright pink punch color. That's super pretty. I'm excited to try this one out. Next in here is the Belif Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Oh, so this is, I've tried from Belif both the moisturizers, the one that's meant for oily skin and also the one that's meant for dry skin. This looks like it's going to be a really nice eye cream, and it's definitely going to last forever because this is a really big bottle. Even though it bumps out there, it's still a lot in here, and you only need like a tiny amount of eye cream. And so this seems like it's going to be super, super nice, and it's going to apply and last me forever. This is 5 milliliters, it says it's in here. So it's super, super nice. It says it's a velvety textured eye cream that supports natural skin turnover, treating and nourishing the eye area. This sounds like it's going to moisturize really, really well. Next in here we got a product from BareMinerals. It says their Skinlongevity Vital Power Infusion. So it just comes like this, and then you take it out like this. I'm not really 100% sure what this product is. It says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps all over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. It says it's got skin magnetic technology. So I'm assuming it's just, maybe it's a moisturizer, but it just has a pump and it's like a really nice size to try out. I've never heard of this. So this would be something that sounds really cool to try out. And then the last product in this box is the Super BeauTea Rose Blended with Jarret Tea Mask. I think it's from the brand Honey Jarret. So this is just a sheet mask. It looks, it like when you feel on the inside, it feels like it's got a lot of moisture in it and a lot of, like, it feels like it's gonna be a nice mask. It says it's got Morgan and lemon myrtle with kombucha in it, and it's a unique clean water complex that soothes rough skin and provides natural vitality while moisturizing the dry skin. So this sounds like it's going to be super nice. The selected premium tea and rose extracts contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allows the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. So I think this mask is for brightening and moisturizing. Oh, yep, it says right here, brightening and moisturizing. So it's super, super nice, and it says it's made in Korea, and this seems like it's going to be super, super nice to try out. So that is everything that we got in our box. I think for $15, this is a great value. You get a full-size mask, you get the tiny Olay retinol cream, which isn't as exciting, but I mean, you're getting everything else in the box. And then you're getting the Belif eye cream, the Wander Beauty highlighter, the BareMinerals moisturizer maybe, a full-size Appeal lipstick, and a full-size NYX cosmetic brush. So this definitely seems like the box is worth it. You get 1, 2, 3 full-size products and 4 travel-size products for a total of 7 products. That's a ton of stuff for only $15, and I can bet you most of this stuff is going to cost you way over $7 or $15. So I'm super excited to have this box and to test out these products, and I'll share my opinions and my thoughts on them once I get a feel for how they are. I hope you guys liked this video and maybe you'll think about purchasing the Allure beauty box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below future video requests, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!